In the lull between snowfalls, let's talk about the nightmare at Reagan National. All the delays and cancellations caused that pile of unclaimed luggage. Leslie Moreno was there as people finished their journey, only to start a new one in search of their bags.
Over 400 pieces of luggage still waiting to be picked up Wednesday morning. Mostly luggage from Monday night. Monday's snowstorm caused hundreds of delays, cancellations, and diverted planes, which left passengers like Brad Drapo stranded.
Still looking for the luggage. I got two. One's buried way back there.
His flight from Honolulu was delayed on Monday. When he finally got to JFK, he was delayed once again.
It was snowing, yes. I arrived right around 9 o'clock in JFK, and then finally got a rental car and got here about 4:30 last night.
He arrived in D.C. Tuesday night, but not by plane. He rented a car and drove from New York to D.C.
Had meetings last night that I had to attend to, yes, and then a few meetings this morning I'm missing to come pick up my luggage.
Michelle Brandon also had no choice but to drive in. She was diverted to Nashville. Her plane was covered in ice, unable to take off.
We said enough is enough is enough. Just got a car and drove home.
She was on the road back to D.C. with no clothes or toothbrush.
Yes, and I'm, wearing whatever I could find to fit in, and toothbrush and all that sort of thing.
Because all your stuff was here.
Yes, everything.
Oh boy, what a journey. I hope she gets that bag, that toothbrush, and a change of clothes and some rest after all of that journey. All right, that was our Leslie Moreno reporting. We also asked airport officials if they're doing anything to prepare for Friday's storm. We're still waiting.